Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to prepare egg fried rice. To prepare this egg fried rice, we need 1 bowl of rice. I am using boiled rice. You can use the leftover rice also. Here 1 carrot chopped, little bit of French beans chopped, little bit of cabbage chopped, spring onion green and spring onion white chopped. You have to keep them separately because this we are going to cook first and then later on we are going to add the spring onion green. Here I have taken little corn, little bit of capsicum. This is ginger and garlic chopped. This is I have taken 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, as you can see now. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce, friends. 2 eggs beaten here. Salt as per our taste. We'll use less salt because we are using soy sauce in this recipe. So please be careful while adding salt. Here I have taken little bit of black pepper powder and a pinch of sugar. We'll use 2 tablespoons of oil to cook. So now let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to fry this egg. First we will heat this oil, little bit of oil to fry our eggs, and here I will add the eggs in the pan. I'll increase the flame. And then I will scramble it. Scramble these eggs nicely. And cook for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds of frying it, we will take this out from the pan and we will heat 2 tablespoons of oil to prepare our egg fried rice. Here we have taken out this fried egg in a bowl, and here I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil. The first ingredient that goes in this pan are the chopped ginger and garlic. Just let it splatter for a few seconds. Now I will add the spring onion white. Friends, if you don't have spring onion, you can also add normal onion that we use for cooking at home. Let's saute this for a few seconds. This will give a lovely flavor. Now we will add the chopped carrots, French beans, and we will cook this for 1 minute over a high flame so that our vegetables are properly fried. So only for 1 minute we will cook this over high flame. After sauteing it for 2 minutes, now we will add the cabbage, chopped cabbage. We will add the capsicum and the corn Corn and cabbage are optional, friends. And we will saute this and cook for 30 seconds more. After frying it for 30 seconds, I will add my rice. I will add the vinegar. I will add the soy sauce. I will add the pepper powder, black pepper powder, and the sugar now. Salt as per our taste. Remember, friends, we have added we have added the soy sauce to this. So please add less salt. Little bit of spring onion green, and now we will mix it with the rice. You can toss it and mix also. I'm using light soya sauce, friends. We'll toss it and mix it also. Now, friends, we will add the fried egg and we will mix it. We'll saute it for another 30 seconds over a high flame. So here is our yummy egg fried rice ready. So I will put off the flame and transfer this into the serving bowl now. Garnish it with some spring onion green. So here is our egg fried rice ready to be savored. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Do try this recipe at home, friends, and let me know how you liked it. Hope to see you, friends, soon. Bye.